Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. Today I'm going to be making a beat. I'm going to be making a Cape Town trap beat today. I'm back today with another beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Now, I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. I'm going to click here on my FL Studio. I'm going to right click and just press open. I'll just press open. Now my FL Studio is loading. My FL Studio is loading. Very soon my FL Studio will open. Now this is my FL Studio. This is it. I've loaded my FL Studio. This ad here. This is my channel rack. This is my playlist. This is my mixer. Now I'm going to click here on add and press Citrus and click here, and then I will left click and hold the left click mouse wheels, and then I will turn the mouse wheel upright to channel 5. I'm making Cape Town trap beat today. This is channel 5. I'll switch channel 5. This is my mixer. This is my playlist. This is my channel rack. I'll just click on my Citrus plugin. Then I'll click on this icon here. Then I'll click on preset and pick this plugin called Distant. This is here. I will start programming my Cape Town trap beat now. Now I will right click and press piano roll. This is my Cape Town trap beat. Now I'll program a 2 bars pattern. I'm going to left click, hold the mouse left click button and switch it to the left and press Ctrl B right up to bars number 8. Now I'm going to click on add and press these FL keys. Then I'm going to click on this place here. Then I will left click and hold it and turn it to channel 6. Then I will right click and press piano roll. This is my Cape Town trap beat. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat here by clicking here. I'll just right click and press piano roll. Then I'll start programming my hi-hat. Now I will left click with left click button to the left and press B to bars number 8. Then I'll press Ctrl A and pitch it up. As you can see, that's how it's sounding. Then I'm going to bring my hi-hat right up and press Sound Womanizer. Then this is my snare. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my snare now. Now, this is my kick here. I'm going to drag it to channel 1. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my kick now. This is my Cape Town trap beat. Now I'm going to click here. Now click on this icon here. Click on this both button and turn it right up. This is my Cape Town trap beat. Now I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. Then on the second melody, I'm going to add another fruity parametric EQ2. Now I'm going to add a sound womanizer and put it to C. Then turn the volume down. Now I'm going to bring everything I've already programmed into my playlist. Where I've written part 1, I'm going to right click and split by channel. As you can see, I've already programmed everything here. This is on my left, on the side left, on my FL Studio app. This here, I'm just going to click on my kick and drop it into my playlist. That's it. Now I'll just click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist, click on my snare and drop it into my playlist, click on my first melody and drop it into my playlist, click on the last melody and drop it into my playlist. Now I'm going to copy to make it longer, to press space and intro and outro. Now I'm going to highlight it by clicking the mouse key button to the left, drag it to the left and press Ctrl and B. Ctrl and B is to copy to make it longer. Now I'm going to click here, remove it here, and to the left, I'm going to press Ctrl and B. I'm going to remove my hat here, I'm going to remove my snare here. Then, for my first melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. I'm going to reduce the mix level to level 1, then I'm going to add a fruity delay too. Then on my snare, I'm going to add a sound womanizer. Then I'm going to swap it here, left and right, left and right. Left and right, left and right, like this. I'm going to reverse the polarities by clicking here, 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 and here. Thank you for watching. Now, let's listen to the full Cape Town trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Cape Town trap beats. See you next time in another video. Make sure you stay tuned and see you next time. Thank you so much, and make sure don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.